Hello friends, how are you? In today's video, we will show you the answer key of science. This answer is of the morning shift and I give the link of its answer key in the description. So let's start. Section A first question. What is the phenomenon involved in a lawn grass becoming wet in the morning during winter? So this option is C, condensation. Next question is, when a gas jar full of air is placed upside down on a gas jar full of bromine vapors, the red-brown vapors of bromine from the lower jar go upward into the jar containing air. The process involved here is option number A, diffusion. Question number 3. Which of the following statement marks as a difference between plant and animal cell? Plant cells have cell wall, which animal cells do not. Question number 4. Among the following statements, which one is correct? Option number D. Cytoplasm is also known as protoplasm. Next, question number 5. A person met with an accident in which two long bones of his hand were dislocated. So the reason is ligament breaks. Option number C. Question number 6. Stratified squamous epithelium present in skin. Option number C. Question number 7. In the tip of the grass, plants removed even then it keeps on growing inland. It is due to the presence of option D, intercalary meristem. Next, question number 8. Tissue is a group of similar kind of cells is specialized to perform a particular function in the body. Therefore, presence of tissues in a multicellular organism ensures option number B, division of labor. Question number 9. What would be the displacement of a particle moving in a circulation path of radius r after completing half a circle? So the option is C, 2r. Question number 10. Suppose a boy is moving with a uniform velocity of 10 meters per second on a merry-go-round ride. Which of the following true on given scenario? Option number C. The boy is moving with accelerated motion. Question number 11. Which of the following is true for a falling object? Option number C. It has uniform accelerated motion. Question number 12. The inertia of an object depends on its option number A, mass. Question number 13. If the mass of the body is double and its velocity becomes half, then the linear momentum of body will option number B, remains the same. Question number 14. A passenger in a moving train which is moving with uniform velocity tosses a coin. The coin will fall. Option number B, behind the passenger. Question number 15. Growing different crops in the same field in a pre-planned succession to improve the quality and quantity of crop yield and maintain the fertility of soil is known as option number A, crop rotation. Next, question number 16. Which non-Indian variety of honeybee is used in commercial honey production? So option B, Apis mellifera. Question number 17 to 20. It's depend on aeration and reason. So 17 is oxygen atom is pure substance. Reason, Oxygen is never found in combined state. 17. Option C. Assertion A is true but reason is false. Next, question number 18. Amoeba is the single cell carries intake of food exchange. So, answer is C. Assertion is true but reason is false. Question number 19. Question number 19. Velocity versus time graph of a particle in uniform motion along a straight path is a straight line. Reason: in uniform motion, the velocity of a particle increases as the time elapsed. So the answer is option number C. Assertion is true but reason is false. Question number 20. A rocket works on the third law of motion. Reason: to every action there is an equal and opposite direction. So the option is A. Both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of A. Now, section B, question number 31. Calculate the mass of sodium sulfate required to prepare mass upon percent solution in 100 gram of water. So the answer is the mass of sodium sulfate required be x gram. Let be x. The mass of solution x plus 100 gram of solution. 20% x upon में x plus 100 into 100. 20x plus 2000 equals to 100x. 80x equals to 2000. So 2000 divided by 80, so we get 25 gram. Question number 22. State the properties of colloidal solution. Size, scene, Tyndall effect, separate example, and any other. Size: bigger than true solution, smaller than suspension. Scene: it cannot be seen by naked eye. Tyndall effect: show separate, not separate by filtration method. Example: milk in water, blood in water. Question number 23. Write the components that make up the following cell part. Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane made up of lipid and protein, carbohydrates, etc. Next, cell wall, cellulose and pectin, sugar, etc. Orga part. If the organization of a cell is destroyed due to some physical and chemical influence, what will happen? If the cell is damaged by an chemical or physical influence, vital activities such as breathing, feeding, excretion, circulation and so on would be impeded. Question number next question. Difference between parenchyma and collenchyma. Location, features and functions. Parenchyma. Location: soft part of a plant such as cortex and pith. Features: cells are thin-walled, living cell, round in shape. They have large vacuole. Functions: it acts as packaging food, helps in storage of food. It provides mechanical support. Collenchyma. Location: in the leaves below the epidermis. Features: living cell, elongated in shape, very little intercellular space present, have thickening at the corner of the cell wall. Functions: provide mechanical support, provide flexibility of the plants, and any other. Question number 25. Give an example where a body which may appear to be moving for one person and stationary for the other. The passengers in a moving bus observed that the trees, building as well as people on the roadside appear to be moving backwards. Or, why do you fall in the forward direction when a moving bus brakes to a stop and fall backwards when it accelerates from rest? Due to the first law of motion. The passenger tries to inertia of motion. As a result, a forward force is exerted on him. Question number 26. Why does an athlete put some sand or cushion on the ground while high jumping? This is to increase the time of athlete fall to stop after making the jump. This decreases the rate of change of momentum and hence the force. Next, section C. A force of 5 Newton produces an acceleration of 8 meter per second on a mass meter and an acceleration of 24 meter per second square on mass m square. What acceleration would the same force provide if both the masses are tied together? F force formula of force m into a, that means mass into acceleration, mass 1 force 1 upon में acceleration 1 5 upon में 8 kg, mass 2 force 2 acceleration 2 5 upon में 24 kg. Find m equals to 5 upon में 8 plus 5 upon में 24 kg equals to 20 upon में 24, that we get 0.8333 kg. Acceleration produced in m a equals to f upon में m equals to 5 upon में 0.8333 equals to 6 meter per second square. Question number 28. Write the properties of suspension. Scene, mixture, Tyndall effect, separate example and or other. Scene by naked eye, mixture heterogeneous. Tyndall effect show separate, easily separate by filtration method. Example, sand in water, mud in water. Question number 29. Advantages of mixed cropping. Answer. First, increased crop yields, improved soil fertility, reduced need for inputs such of fertilizer and pesticides. And last, weed is controlled or any other. Question number 30. In brief, what happens when dry resins are left for some time in pure water and later transferred to sugar solution? First, it will swell up as water enters inside the resins. It occurs due to endomosis and then shrink when placed in sugar solution due to exomosis. Question number B, 30 का B part. A red blood cells is kept in concentrated salt solution. Water will have more inside to outside of RBC through its cell membrane. Due to this, RBCs will shrink. C. The plasma membrane of a cell breaks down. The cell will leak all its cellular constituents, leading to cell death. It may lead to the bursting of lysosome, resulting in the digestion of cell organelles. Or difference between bacterial cell and onion peel. Bacterial, first, small in size. Onion peel, larger in size. 2. No nucleus present. Nucleus is present. Third, it has only one chromosome. It has more than one chromosomes. No membrane bound organelles are present. Organelles such as lysosome, mitochondria and plastids are present in onion peel. Now question number 31. Converting by the following temperature accordingly. 593 Kelvin equals to, formula is K equals to C minus 273. That means 593 minus 273 equals to 320 degrees Celsius. 2. 375 degrees Celsius equals to, formula is C equals to K plus 273. That means 375 plus 273 equals to 648 degrees Celsius. 28 degrees Celsius equals to C equals to K plus 273 equals to 28 plus 273 equals to 301 degrees Celsius. Question number 32. First, define inertia. Inertia is defined as a property of matter by which it remains at the state of rest or in uniform motion in the same straight line unless acted upon by some external force. B. Why is it advised to wear seat belt in the car while driving? Answer. To reduce the impact reducing rate of change of momentum of the passengers during sudden brake. Question number 33A. Between solid and gas, which will have more rate of diffusion and why? Gas is more interparticular space, that's why it's more rate of diffusion. B. What is dry ice? Solid carbon dioxide. What will happen if we left it open? It will sublimate into gas called sublimation. Question number 34. What are vascular tissues? Write the functions of any one vascular tissue. Also write the name of its component. Xylem, cell is dead. Thickness, thick. Material, lignin. Permeability, impermeable. Function, carries waters and minerals. Or name 3 types of muscular tissues. Also state 2 difference between them. Striated, non-striated, cardiac. First, they are present in the limbs, body walls, tongue and beginning of esophagus. Non-striated. They are present in the esophagus posterior part only. Urinary bladder, vessels, iris of eye. Cardiac. They are present in wall of the heart, pulmonary veins and superior vena cava. D. 2. Cylindrical, spindle shaped, cylindrical. Fibers unbranched, fibers unbranched, fibers unbranched. Multinucleate, nucleate and nucleate. Voluntary, involuntary. Very rapid contraction, slow contraction, rapid contraction. They soon get fatigued. They do not get fatigued. They never get fatigued. 8. Blood supply is abundant. Blood supply is scanty. Blood supply is abundant. Give 3 examples of situations from our surroundings that can be explained by first law of motion. First, a person standing in a bus fall backward, bus starting moving suddenly. This happens because the person and bus both are in the rest because of the person falls back if he is not alert. 2. When the pile of coin, the carom board is hit by a stick, only a coin at the bottom moves away, leaving rest of the pile of coin at same place. Third, a person sitting in a running bus is thrown in the forward direction when it stops suddenly. Second part. If 2 persons a box from opposite direction with same magnitude as shown, will the box move or not? Explain. No. To same magnitude of force by applying in opposite direction, resultant force is 0 on the box. Or first, state second law of motion. Also write its mathematical expression. The rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of force. Force equals to mass into acceleration. Train is moving with a velocity of 54 km per hour and it takes 2 seconds to stop after the brakes are applied. Calculate the force exerted by the brakes on the train. Mass of the train is 800 kg. U is 54 km per hour. Convert into meter per second. 54 into 100 upon में 3600. V equals to 0. Mass 800 kg. Time 2 seconds. Force equals to mass into acceleration. Mass bracket v minus u bracket 1 upon में t equals to 800 kg into 0 minus 15 meter per second 2. That we get minus 6000 Newton. Question number 36. Give reasons. Evaporation causing cooling. Evaporation produces cooling as the particles at the surface of the liquid gain energy from the surroundings and change into vapor. Factors affecting evaporation. First, wind speed. Second, increased temperature. Third, less humidity. And fourth is increased surface. Rate of evaporation of an aqueous solution decreases with increase in humidity. An increase in humidity in the atmosphere decreases the rate of evaporation of an aqueous solution. C. We should cotton clothes in summer. Cotton, being a good absorber of water, helps in absorbing the soot and exposing it to the atmosphere for easy evaporation. Or A. Arrange the following substances in increasing order of forces of attraction between their particles: salt, nitrogen gas, water and honey. Nitrogen gas, honey, salt and water. B. Explain in which physical state of water will have minimum force of attraction. Its particles are neither close together nor fixed in place. In gaseous state, molecules are free to move in any direction, so their interparticle space is maximum and their interparticle force of attraction is least. Examples are water, water vapor, nitrogen, oxygen are called gaseous state. Second, maximum compressibility. In a liquid state, the molecules have some space between them. If we apply very high pressure, there is a change in the volume of the liquids. Third, maximum fluidity. Fluidity is the maximum in the gaseous state due to the weak force of attraction. Now, section C. E. Question number 37. A. What are the components of a solution? Solute and solvent. B. Give two examples of colloidal solutions: gel, milk, blood. C. Write two properties of mixture. A mixture does not have a specific boiling and melting point. Component of a mixture can be separated by physical. How homogeneous different from heterogeneous mixture? Homogeneous, not seen by naked eye. Mixed properly, that means uniform. One phase is only, and homo means same. Heterogeneous, seen by naked eye, non-uniform, one or more phases, and hetero means different. Question number 38. A. Name an organelle which serve as primary packaging area for molecules that will be distributed through the cell. Option A. Golgi apparatus. B. What is the role of semi-permeable membrane in a cell? A semi-permeable membrane is the one that allows certain molecules to pass through it while it does not allow others. Difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic: size generally small, size generally big. Nuclear region poorly defined, absence and known as nuclide. Nuclear region, well defined and surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Chromosomes single, chromosomes more than one. Fourth, membrane bound cell organelles are absent, membrane bound cell organelles are present. Question number 39 of A. Write down SI unit of acceleration, meter per second square. Question number 39b. How speed of an object differ from its velocity? Velocity has direction. C. A truck driver drives 20 km down the road in 5 minutes, then drives 12 km down the road in 3 minutes. What is his average speed? Total distance covered 20 km plus 12 km equals to 32 km. Time taken 5 plus 3 equals to 8 minutes. 8 upon में 60 hour equals to 2 upon में 15 hour. Average velocity 32 km upon में 21 upon में 5 equals to 240 km hour. और aeroplane flies 200 km with a uniform speed of 300 km and then another 200 km with a speed of 240 km per hour. Calculate average speed. Total distance 200 plus 200 equals to 400 km. Time taken for first 200 km, 200 upon में 300, that means 2 upon में 3. Time taken for 200 km by second, 200 upon में 240, 5 upon में 6. Total time 2 upon में 3 plus 5 upon में 6 equals to 9 upon में 16 equals to 3 upon में 2, 1.5 hour. Average speed total distance upon में total time 400 upon में 1.5 equals to 800 upon में 3, that we get 266.67 km per hour. 266.67 km per hour. If you like our video, please subscribe, comment and share the channel. Okay, bye. Thank you.